These will be the images that we are using today to create our stamp. And now we're going to cut a piece of foam the same size as a letter size paper. Place this paper on the foam and we're going to cut around the image. I am cutting the image into smaller strips just so it's easier for cutting. And now we're just going to take a scissors. A sharp scissors is best, and cut around the image as precisely as you can. And here we are cutting our star. This is really therapeutic cutting. I enjoy cutting these. I enjoy using the scissors to cut. Paper is oddly satisfying, therapeutic, helps with my mental health. And there we have our star. So just continue cutting all the shapes. And here I have finished cutting my shapes. We have a star, heart, flower, bow, butterfly, leaf, bird, crescent moon, another flower, music note, and a fairy. And now we're just going to add some character to our foam. This is optional. You don't have to do it. So I'm just going to put some lines across. And for the bow, I'm just going to add 2 little round corners here, like a little circle. And this is another flower, so that's fine for me. And now we're just going to get some bottle caps from some water bottle, Coca-Cola bottle, anything you have at hand. Add some glue. And stick it down firmly on the cover. Repeat for all the rest. And keep sticking each of the foam stamps onto your bottle covers. Now it's time to test our stamps. I'm going to use the heart one first, and here I have some golden acrylic paint, so just press it down. Now we're going to test our fairy. Black music note. Our black cat. Now we're just going to do the flower. I'm just doing the top part of the flower. You can paint here green and have a yellow on top and green. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes, just a yellow. And I have just added some gold paint in the center just to give the flower a little bit of character. We're going to do our dove. I've done it in gold. I want to see how it looks like. Beautiful. And now for our butterfly. So for the butterfly, I've used rusty gold on top and a yellow. Lovely. This is our bow. This is our bow. Green leaf. Our next flower, I'm doing it in pink.